Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with an update of some drama telenovela series in news, right? Khopolo reported ukuthi casting news. Name-Maps and Nompilo Maphumulo in new film. Former Uzalo cast members star in Perfect Match, a rom-com movie directed by Mpho Hwelejane. I hope I pronounced that right. If I didn't, please do forgive me in advance. The film, premiering at Joburg Film Festival, is part of the partnership the first has with Showmax. Perfect Match Showmax is screening at the Johannesburg Film Fest on the 15th of March 2025 at New Metro in Hyde Park at 4 p.m. Tickets are available, and if you want to click on the link, please do go on Phil Mpela, who is Khopolo on Twitter, formerly known as X, or X, formerly known as Twitter, and click on the button and buy the tickets. Joburg is a bit far for me to just go and watch a film, but I trust you to come back here and comment and tell me how the film was. But while you're at it, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.